Holy boys. Look at him just hot riding the ball sack off a good one. Holy. Holy. That's pretty much my good one he's wrecking. Oh.
Turn the wheel!
Yeah. Oh. Get right out onto the interstate! Oh, really shoot rocks at traffic! Oh, Jim's the best. Hey? Oh, remember when Pug 1 was 30? Remember when Pug 1 was 30? Damn near 50 now, boys. Good grief. Look at him go. Just dick. He's got his father's pliants, looks like. Just dickered. Oh, nice. Hey, go around the, like go in the gate and around and then close the driveway and shit. Oh, I'm gonna see if I can get him to hit the woodwood. Oh, shit. Oh, here he comes. Oh, yeah, that's where I wiped out. Friggin' my snack. Oh, hit the wood one! Oh, Nick! Oh, don't have a crusted vagina. Oh, looks like we're gonna get a whole bunch of shots of Jim's cock. He's got the Wantler cam going, aimed right at the ground. Oh, there, doesn't. Oh, Dick, here he goes, boys. Oh, here he goes. Oh, Nick! Oh, Nick! Oh, nearly friggin' down! Oh, scared! Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he fucking goes, boys! Holy shit! So he's fast! Oh, so he's fast! Oh my god! Let me see. Oh, careful, you're cold. Oh, you're cold.
Buddy! You're like one wheel for so long.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Oh, shit. Holy cow, Jim. I almost died. Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw that.
Holy shit. Oh. I almost died, you guys. Oh, shit. That was pretty close. Wow. Oh, that's so many more fun. You hit the dry spot. Oh, he snuck up on me. Sneaking from the back door, boys. Careful! Oh, word, dude. Oh, shit. Jim, stop. The wheel's coming off. We lost a pin.
Oh,
Yeah. We still got the key though. I got more guys. We just have to bring her over to the shop here. Bring her over to the shop. Somebody's been just chewing up the parking lot in Inwood, boys. The whole parking lot's cocked now. We're back. Oh, just hot rod the ball sack off it. Okay? I tell him, take it easy because it's my good one. First thing he does is just hot rod right into the snowbank. Hey, take it easy because it's my good one. Fuck, guy's just wrecking it. Oh, man. What a guy, eh? What a guy, just totally wrecks my good one. Holy shit, look at him go, boys, there he goes. There he freaking goes. Oh, Nick. Holy shit. You gotta get like one hand and one foot in the air and shit. Oh, kicks to McGee over here. Hey, don't worry about my clutch. Just burn the clutch right out of it.
okay.
Oh, shit. Oh, there goes all the splines. There goes all the splines. Oh, Dick, there he goes, boys. Oh, shit. Oh, there goes all the splines out of my clutch. All the splines. Gone. Shoot them right out. Yep, there they go, boys. Oh, shit. Oh, Jesus. Look at him friggin' go. Oh, that was awesome.
You do.
Oh, I'm scared.
Turn the wheel! Fuck, I wasn't even paying attention. Yeah! Yeah, huh? Oh, right into the snowbank. Holy. Now look what you did. Holy.
I bet you the whole town is just mad as
Yeah,
right now.
just choked.
Imagine the fire Dixon's still here.
Right?
Oh, Robbie be coming down here with his roots and hollers.
Fucking making out with that dude.
Oh yeah, just French kissed another dude.
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh, careful, you'll sick.
inwood.
Right?
Oh my God, that's too many spins. Okay, you do. Oh shit. Oh my God.
Over here, buddy.
Oh my God, where's Jim? Just a f***ing menace, you guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, hey guys, best call the cops. Oh, you heard them, okay? Knew where it was coming from, you just couldn't see them from where they're at. Probably what happened. I could see that, that's one point, you know? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh look, shipping container, careful! God, Jim! Oh, your whole entire appliance!
Oh, my butt!
Oh, careful, your whole entire appliance, Jim. No, not where you
Oh, my butt!
Oh, careful, your whole entire appliance, Jim. No, not where you Oh, what about how dude's gonna shove wieners in there?
I farted like when I was getting
No,
a bunch of really bad.
Bunch of poodle came out. Yeah, that'd be terrible if that happened. Way more funner in the snow, you know what I mean? I mean, it's fun in the not snow too, but like, look how much fun it is in the snow. Oh yeah.
Jammed up! Stuck on the friggin' pile! Jim, up! Hit the jump! You need more speed, bud!
I was immediately off the reset. Jesus.
Like doing the old backwards wheel test.
Filming us out the window with the cops on the phone.
Yeah. Alright, Capitan. Oh, buddy, we're even gunning it?
Oh, no, I wasn't.
Oh, you gotta gun it.
This is my good one. I don't want to gun the shit out of it.
You gotta gun it.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, buddy!
I'm really trying to fly it.
Did you get your clients?
Oh,
careful.
holy shit, I'm gonna feel that tomorrow.
Right.
It's your turn. I hurt myself.
Oh,
I hurt myself really bad, you guys. I think the G-forces is trying to take that pin out of there, buddy. Too many fucking mega G's. Eh? How is that? Hey, quit hooting and hollering while you're driving.
Slow down.
Yeah, quit hooting and hollering. Eh? I don't want to be seeing any hooting and hollering in Inwood. We don't do that here. Oh, there it goes. Just burrowing a hole right in my parking lot. Holy shit. The fucking mining over here, boys. Look at that. Right to the wood. Holy living shit. Oh yeah, for sure he's wrecking it too. See how he's wrecking my good one? Doesn't even care. Oh, Nick. Look at him friggin' go, boys. Hey, and while we're talking about it, check out Real Links too. The link's in the prescription. Oh, look, dude.
Almost slipped off.
Careful! It's probably the moisture out of your vagina. It's freezing up and it's like an ice rink now. It's your vaginal fluids freezing up.
I tried to take the wrong foot off.
Yeah. Hate when that happens. Yeah, we got a steering situation here too, boys. Oh, Nick, look at him go. Oh, hey. Not even hanging on. Oh, Nick. Look at him friggin' go, boys. Just a friggin' menace. Absolute menace. Go ahead, I apologize. I apologize. Holy shit. You know how hard Jim gets now? So he's 30, he gets all hard.
Right.
Oh, that was decent, you guys. Fuck yeah. Okay. Oh, really shower traffic with rocks.
Yeah.
Fuck. Okay. Oh, look at him go, boys. What's his problem? Who does that? To another guy's rig, you know? I'm really trying to understand who would do something like that. Right in my parking lot. Okay.
Car that's gonna behind you.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Fucking A right, boys. Oh, careful! Careful! Oh, I just mocked a guy. Robbie's gonna show up.
Yeah.
All pissed off. Well, I guess oh, careful! Hey, hey, enough of the gun in it! I'm gonna have a talk with this new neighbor. Oh yeah, just doing donuts in the fucking road and stuff. Who does that? Hey, we're gonna have a chit chat over here probably.
We're gonna have to go have some discussions.
Hey.